Year after year, learners across Wales, like Jessica, gear up for their exams. At e-sgol, we know how important this period is for our young people. And our mission is to ensure every learner can access free, supportive resources. Carlam Cymru is a treasure trove of online revision videos created by experienced teachers from across Wales, specifically tailored for effective revision. Carlam Cymru isn't just about academic success. It also offers well-being sessions, including stress management techniques, helping learners balance their studies and personal well-being. Our videos offer a wealth of subject knowledge at both GCSE and A Level. Why not walk into your exam feeling even more empowered? e-sgol, equity in education through technology.